The MODICIA Company has been registered in the Register of Commercial Companies since 1998. We serve professional customers and educational institutions by creating distributions for general desktop use but specialized in multimedia, based on stable Debian. Our community version is completely free. MODICIA O.S. It is a complete multimedia station that will allow you to successfully complete complicated projects with a professional result, whether you are a director, video maker, musician, graphic designer, or photographer. Everything has been selected by our multimedia customers to work seamlessly and without looking for any other program. You can install it on a USB stick and you will be productive in live mode. You will not find duplicate programs or programs that don't work. Once installed, it will be operational for many years without system or software crashes. This is the Linux operating system MODICIA O.S. A multimedia professional will be able to appreciate the validity of the project by being able to understand the validity of the installed software.